What's up, YouTube? This your boy Ruben from AON Fit. We about to go to Armour Gym, get a little arm workout in. We're gonna go get something to eat, then we're gonna hit the gym. And we in Knoxville, Tennessee right now. I'm visiting some fam, so you know I still gotta get it in. The grind don't stop. So just stay tuned, and we're gonna show y'all how we get down. We stopped by Two Below Honey Cafe to get some brunch. It's pretty busy in here, as you can see. Good food, good times. We're back. Watching this Florida and Michigan game at the bar. Still drinking the vitamin water. All right, got my Appalachian breakfast.
There's some sriracha in here. Yeah.
This lady's amazing.
You're weird.
And then she has the crab cake Benedict.
Crab, yeah. I know the chicken she's around.
We just finished eating.
Yeah.
Now we're mingling through the market square. It's all kind of life and activities out here. You got some cash in? You got cash in? We finally got to Armour Gym. About to kill these arms real quick. What's up, y'all? We're in Armour Gym right now. We're about to go ahead and kill these arms. We got biceps, triceps. We're gonna hit a couple supersets and just get a stupid pump. What's up, y'all? I just ran into Hunter Gallenhar. We're at Armour Gym right now. I'm hitting some arms.
I was hitting chest, a little bit of triceps.
Okay, yeah. We in here getting some work done, man. just finished with, we superset it, push-ups with dumbbell curls. Now we about to hit some pull-ups with dips, well, chin-ups with dips, and hit that little superset. I got some chops and my palms sweating. I'm anxious to get to this workout. They got toys here. I feel like a superhero on this, like a villain. All right, so we're gonna do the easy bar, tricep skull crushers. We're gonna do like a monster set. We're gonna go from there. And we're gonna do close grip bench press, and then we're gonna do easy bar curls. Let's get it. Call me while I'm working out.
Elbows. Woo.
This gym is dope. They got everything you need. No matter if you CrossFit, strongman, power lifter, bodybuilder, power builder, whatever. They got an outside facility too. Come out here and get a workout. It's kind of bright. Should have brought my sunglasses. I'm talking. Be looking out for AON Fit. We're gonna have to do something like this, something big. Go back in, let y'all see what the inside look like. It's nice. How you like this gym, man? What's your name?
Isaac.
Isaac. This Isaac, man, he in here lifting some weight. He in here getting after it. It's a cold facility. Y'all need to check it out. Knoxville, Tennessee. It's off Level Road. And it's called Armor Gym. Pretty dope gym. They got cage. If you're in the MMA. Little fitness room.